Hi, I'm Nicki Sizemore here in the Fine Cooking Test Kitchens. Sliders are a perfect appetizer to a party or celebration, and here I will show you 2 different toppings that you can use to finish off the burgers. So first we're going to make a pineapple salsa. Now you can use fresh pineapple, you could use grilled pineapple. I'm keeping things really easy and just using a canned pineapple. And to this we'll add some red bell pepper for a little color and crunch, jalapeno pepper for some heat, and I'm just eyeballing this. This is more about technique than it is about a specific recipe. So we've got some red onion, green bell pepper, lime zest, lime juice, cilantro, and some avocado. Now I'll season this with salt and pepper, and then we'll toss it to combine. This is a delicious, sweet and crunchy and a tad spicy salsa. It is not only awesome on burgers, but it's also great dip for tortilla chips, so you can get double use out of this. Topping number 2, we'll make a roasted red pepper aioli. So I have some mayonnaise in a bowl, and I'm going to add some finely minced roasted red peppers. These are just jarred roasted red peppers. Some paprika. You could use a regular sweet paprika or a smoked paprika or a hot paprika. A touch of brown sugar, some cayenne pepper, fresh lemon juice, and we'll season this with some salt and pepper. This aioli is delicious on burgers or on sandwiches. You can even use it as a dip for roasted potatoes or French fries. One fun way to serve this is to make a build-your-own slider bar. Just lay out the sliders and the different toppings and let your guests build their own. For more tips and recipes, go to finecooking.tv.